guys, it's me, Carly, today, and, they hit my mind. Oh, part 3 of the slime package. Worst slime package, actually. I'm really ticked off about this. I can't get it open. Freaking crap. Alright, so, this is the conditioner. At least I hope. But, it's orange like it was supposed to be. And it's not fully full, as you can see. Hopefully it doesn't use, but... Is this the way it's supposed to look? I mean, like it's sticking to me. Maybe this is not what I thought it was. Yeah, it's conditioner. Yeah, it's like sticking. What? It's pokeable. Now it ain't sticking. Please don't tell me this is slime. Maybe. Okay, that's sticking in my hair. I'm not gonna do that. What the heck? This is stupid. Sorry, guys. I'm just trying to give y'all a good view of this junk. What the heck is this? I know it's slime. I'm pretty positive. But this is nothing that I ordered. Does it say orange slime on here? No. I paid $11 for this at the top. Gosh. Ruined my scenery. Carol. I mean, Cindy. Oops. I'm getting my real name. Oh, wait. I didn't hear loud. You know what? I don't care. My full name, my real name is Carolise. Okay? There you go. It's not Cindy. But that's my middle name. Carolise Cindy Ridgway. I mean, Anderson. My grandparents are Ridgways. Okay, I'm not too upset about this. I mean, I like this slime because it's not that sticky. I actually thought it was conditioner at first. Maybe it was just like a little like runny. Like, you know, like not sticky, like it's supposed to be, like not sticking to me. Like real conditioner will. But y'all probably don't get what I'm saying. Oh, it's taking forever to get out. Come out. Alright, so I finally got this out. So, I'm not too upset about it. I mean, I am, but I'm not. It is really, really stretchy. But if not, it's kind of getting sticky, but that's okay. Look how stretchy. But still not what I ordered. I really don't want to complain. I'm really tired of complaining, but I have to. Still really ticked off about the panda bun. That is one main thing that I'm really, really ticked off about. Because I'm not paying $4 for this cookie now. But you get what I'm saying. Do y'all guys want to pay $4 freaking for this? No, that's what I thought. I'm sorry, I'm just saying it for you because I'm really upset. Dear gosh. Anyway. Dear gosh, dear goodness. I can't even talk because I'm so rude. Because I'm so mad, upset, mad, whatever. I mean, it is a really stretchy, squishy. Yeah, it is kind of stretchy, but slow rising squishy, what I was looking for. But anyway, I'm still pretty highly upset. Let me put it in. Okay, but as you guys can tell, I'm still really ticked off. But I'm not gonna complain about it. I'm probably not gonna call, which I really should be. But I'm just gonna wait for later before I do this. Just ball on this up and throw it away. Hope you enjoyed. How am I supposed to enjoy this one? So I'm just gonna quickly let this do a leak test real quick. Let me fix it real quick. Like, you know, not leak test, but fixing this slime real quick to make it look like it's full, which it should have been. I mean, at least she should have made it full, like the conditioner was supposed to be. At least. I'm still really ticked off. But, sorry it's really dark, but can't help it. Still highly upset. But, I'm just gonna put all my slimes right here. Or fakes right here. You can tell I'm really ticked off. But I'll probably find something else. But love you guys. See you next time.